that bag, get through.
Hi everyone, today I'm here to show you how to make homemade apple cider vinegar so that you never have to buy it at the store again. You need apples, a cup of water, spoon, sugar, a jar, a bowl of water, and a knife. Chop the apples into smaller pieces. Now we will transfer our chopped apples into the jar. Add 3 tablespoons of sugar to the apples for faster fermentation. Add reasonable amount of water. Place the lid on the jar.
3 weeks later.
out after 30 days. The longer you leave it, the darker it becomes. Thank you so much for watching my video. In case you have any suggestion, please let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, to share, to like, to hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you so much and see you in my next video. Cheers!